Hi there, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I have a confession to make. I am a coffee lover, and when your friends know that you are, then they can send you cool gift boxes like this one. This is small batch coffee from Bones Coffee, and it comes with awesome coffee samples inside that will let you try their delicious coffee. Once you open the box, you'll see that it comes with these gorgeous coffees. They're really well packaged in 4-ounce bags, so you get a small batch so that you can try all of the delicious flavors. So really cool names to match all of the really cool, delicious coffee beans inside. Once you open the bags, you can see that the coffee is nice and fresh, the beans are well oiled looking, and you can really smell the delicious flavors coming out of each of these bags. Grinding the coffee will make you really want the coffee even more, because once you have that freshly ground coffee bean, you can taste the delicious coffee that comes from this kit. I'm so impressed by the nice personal touches on each of these bags. They all have their unique personality, their unique flavors, and you get delicious coffee out of each one. Whether you're a coffee lover and want to try something new, or if you have a coffee loving friend like I am, then you want to check out this awesome locally sourced small batch coffee. It's delicious, scrumptious, and smells so wonderful. But that's just my point of view.